Hello guys, welcome back to Logical Programming. Challenge 16. Given a string S containing a number at the beginning of a string followed by alphabets, you need to return true if the number of a string is equal to the length of the given string, or you should return false. Here what is the question meaning? They have given one string 9 discovery. What is the length of the string? It's containing the first number, which is a 9, and followed by alphabets, right? So what is the length of the alphabets? I mean length of the string: 1 2 3 3 3 6 9. If this length of the string is equal to the given number of a string, then you should return true or else false. For example, if you take this string, and what is the length of the string? 3 3 6 3 9. 9 is not equal to 12, so we are getting false. And then here logical, we are having 7 alphabets, and 7 is equal to the given number 7 at the beginning of a string, so that is true. So for this we have to write the logic. So now I'm taking ideally, here I'm going to take one string. So what is the string there? 9 discovery, right? So 9 discovery, right? So now I'm going to take two strings separately. S1 is equal to S2 is equal to two strings. Okay, now for I in S, I'm accessing each character in a string if I dot is alpha, means for accessing the alphabeticals, and then S1 is equal to S1 plus I, or else if it is not a number, then sorry, or else if it is not alphabetical, then if I dot is digit, we are having for accessing the numbers in a string, we are using is digit method, and then S2 is equal to S2 plus I, right? So now here if I print this, we will check what are the values that we are getting for S1 and S2, right? So we are getting discovery 9, right? So now I'm going to checking the length, right? So now I'm going to checking the length. Print length of S1. In S1 we are having discovery, so the length is 9, right? So now I'm going to take here if length of S1, mean length of the string, is equal to int of converting the this is a string, right? I'm converting to integer, right? So int of S2, you should return true. I mean you have to print true or else false, or else print false, right? Yeah. So now if I execute this one, true, right? 9 discovery is equal to true. For example, if I take here 7 logical, for this one also we have to get 7 logical, we have to get the output as true. Here true. For example, 12 something, we are getting false. We can do this one like this, or we can do using even functions also. Then how we can do this using functions? So up to here common, right? So now I'm going to take function define check string. I'm taking the function name. Okay, so now here I'm going to take S is a string. I'm taking all these things and I'm following indentation, right? So now I'm going to call the function name here. So what is the function name? Check string. Check string, and then I'm going to pass the string inside the here. I'm going to pass the string in the ending of the function, right? I'm going to pass the parameter here, and then using return statement, sorry, using print statement, we have to print whether it is true or false, right? And then you should have to use here the logic. If length of s1 equal to integer of s2, return true, or else return false. When I execute this one, I'm getting false. So for this we have to get the output as false, right? 12 something is nothing but false here. For example, if I take the string as 9 discovery, right? 9 discovery, we're getting the output as 2, right? So what is happening here in this? We are checking the I value starts with, what is the string here? Discovery, 9 discovery. So I value starts with the first one is nothing but 9 here, right? So 9 is a digit. So if I dot is alpha, means we are checking 9 dot is alpha. 9 is not alphabetical, so it's going to else block here. Inside the else block we are having, again we are having if block. In that we are checking 9 dot is digit, condition true, so comes here. Then s2 is equal to s2 plus I, we are adding s2 is equal to, so what are the values that we are getting for s2? We are getting s2 is equal to 9, right? So in s2 we are having 9, and then this time we are going to take the value as d. D is an alphabetical, condition true, and then we are going to add for this one s1 is equal to d. So remaining all are alphabeticals, right? So all alphabeticals will be going to add to the s1. So we are getting like as 9, sorry, we are getting like as discovery. So in this we are having, in s1 we are having discovery, in s2 we are having 9. What is the length of the s1? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So length is nothing but 9. So we are checking length of s1 is 9 equal to integer of s2. Why I have taken int? This is initially a string, I am converting into integer type. So 9 is equal to 9, then only we should have to return true or else false. This is how internally happening inside this program. Okay, if you like this video, please share it and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.